When it comes to residential or commercial mold, SERVPRO of Cape Girardeau and Scott counties is here to help. We have an effective process in place. We'll set an air scrubber or a negative air machine to remove mold spores. Our heroes set up containment to help ensure mold spores are not spread throughout the home. Our heroes suit up in personal protective equipment, also known as PPE, and then demolition begins. Then we HEPA vac, clean with an antimicrobial, and HEPA vac again to help control the spore count. The heroes at SERVPRO of Cape Girardeau and Scott counties make the damage like it never even happened. Call us today.